Guys, thank you for watching. In today's video, I will show you how I did get this half blue purple cut crease look. If you are interested to see how I did this, then please keep watching. So I'm just going to get right into things. As a disclaimer, I do have a top on. Let's just get that out of the way. So we're going to do this eye here. So I had first initially started by adding a purple gradient in my crease. And I'm just going in with a big fluffy brush to really help to distribute all of that color out and about. Just blend that into my crease, and this is just going to help to add a little bit of extra definition for the pink shade that I'm going to go in with. So, got that there, going underneath my eyes while and then to really try to get the pink pigment on, I'm going to go in with just a pink blush, and I'm just going to blend that pink all over that purple shade that I had just applied. I apologize for any background noise that you might be hearing. My daughter is watching Moana, and so that is just going on in the background. So that pink, again, I'm just going to get that all over my contact, you know. Go in and just apply that all over top of that purple shade. Kind of bring that up towards my brow bone a little bit. Just gonna make sure that that's really well applied on there. So I'm sorry, I just kind of clipped out a section of this, but it was because I had adjusted the quality on my camera and I feel like it was really not giving some good color. So all I did was I just went in with a denser brush and I just packed that in the outer V, just like so. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer brush as well as my concealer. I'm just going to cut my crease just slightly. But it's nice getting to listen to Moana in the background. So I'm just going to blend this out all the way to like the middle of my eye. And then just enough to make sure just making sure that that line is really crisp and clean. And then yeah, I'll just blend that out just slightly towards the middle, just so I can blend that in with some different eyeshadow shade later. So I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics palette and just take a combination of kind of some turquoisey shades. And I'm going to go all over where I had applied that concealer. Bring that out to the middle of my eye. And then I'm just going to pick up that same purple shade and then just kind of blend that over the center where the concealer meets the purple. And then I'll buff into the blue and make a blended shade just so that the gradation from the purple to the blue is more seamless. Making kind of like a periwinkle blue shade right there. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply my liner and eyelashes, and then I'll be right back. So I got my liner, my lashes on. I'm just going to blend everything with some mascara. Get my regular lashes to fit in with my falsies. Apply some mascara on the bottom. Not sure if you guys saw my other video with my contouring and my face routine, but I did do a detailed eye look for that video as well. And after uploading it, I had realized that only about half of the footage had actually made it into the video for whatever reason. So I did go back in and fix that, and I was just going to see if you guys still wanted me to upload that video. If so, I will get that uploaded today. And then that kind of breaks down how I do my eyeliner as well as how I apply my falsies. So the last step for this eye look is I did get a combination of a goldish green pigment with a kind of green eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pop this right on my inner corner. The color gets not as bad as I get farther away from my light, so maybe that's just the trick that I need to start doing. I'm also going to go in with this green and put it as kind of like a lip highlight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm going to just kind of do my hair, and then I'll come back for like a final ending for this. I'm going to do my hair, but whatever. This is like pretty much as good as it's going to get. So this is the final eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you with my next video. Bye. Can't end the video now.